Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to set up parental control on Samsung Galaxy A36. First we need to open settings, so just scroll up, click on the search bar, write settings, then scroll down again to Digital Wellbeing and Parental Control, scroll down to Parental Control, then click on Let's Do This. Now you need to choose the account if it's this and click on Supervise account. I won't do it because it's my account, but then all you have to do is just follow the app instructions to set up parental controls. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. It would be really nice if you could subscribe to our channel. Bye and see you soon.